Watch out. Close it.
The oven.
See, your cooking tray. Put it in there like that.
Yeah, that's a pizza for it.
Look down there.
Wow!
So, see your pans.
Yeah! Made that one.
Close the door.
And what's the in here?
Look, look. You gotta push the cup back and the ice come out. See?
Wow.
And then she got some more pots and pans down in that bottom one. Smoke. There goes Smoke trying to get the
Man, get out the presents. You ain't got no present. Where you go? Don't start running.
He's behind Arya's thing, right there. He's right there by the door.
Get out.
Look kind of quit smoke.
Daddy, turn to the light on. Oh, neat.
How is that a boy leave?
You like that, sissy? You washing dishes?
Yeah.
You washing the ice cube? It's gonna melt. Don't go putting no water and stuff in there.